Hello, and welcome again from sunny Central Florida. It is September 17th, 2025, and I am going to do an update on my Puerto Rican black beans. This will probably be the last update on them. They are fixing to come down. Believe it or not, they are still throwing flowers, but it's that time of the year. They gotta go, and they're also overtaken my papaya and my mulberry and that papaya and that papaya, and now they are working on that papaya and that papaya, and I do have 2 eggplants in there, so I think this is a total of 2 beans. 2 beans did all this. If you've seen my previous videos, then you know what I'm talking about, but let's do a quick look at all this. This is the Puerto Rican black bean here in Central Florida. To be more precise, I am in Plant City, Florida, Zone 9B. And they absolutely thrived during the summer. This is my first time growing them. Look at them all the way up in there. I had no idea they would do this. I've never had remotely any such luck with beans. Look at this. You see it dangling? That is my mulberry. It has completely taken it over. But not only that has taken over my mulberry, I also have the blue butterfly pea that just exploded and took over it with, oh, something just come out of there, with the Puerto Rican black bean. This is the blue butterfly pea that has taken over this entire branch of this mulberry. I will soon have so many seeds available, so I will probably be listing some for sale in my Facebook marketplace. I don't know if I want to go onto my Etsy shop with seeds, but yes, or hit me up in the comments. There's a Puerto Rican black bean. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fun getting all this down. Look at it, and look at the beans. It is still loaded all the way up there into the papaya. And there are papayas on there. If you go in here, you could see the papayas and the beans. There's also a blackberry bush in here. Yes, a big one, but you can't see it. Here's a little piece of the blackberry coming out of there, trying to stay alive. Puerto Rican black bean. It loves Florida summer, so if you need a crop, and plus we all know, at least most of our gardeners know, that beans help put nitrogen back in the soil. The papayas don't seem to mind, except for that one. You can see it's starting to lean. It may be starting to pull it down. It didn't have a lean before, so I'm gonna have to get them off of there. And yes, this is from all the rain here. It's our rainy season here, Central Florida. This is a Puerto Rican black bean that you're seeing mixed in with some sweet potato, but the black beans have overtaken the sweet potatoes, and sweet potatoes go wild in Florida here in the summer. But they cannot keep up with the Puerto Rican black bean. And no pest damage. I have had no pest damage with them. None, except for ants, but they don't damage them. So I leave them alone. So yes, I wanted to give this update because I'm going to start chopping it all down soon. I'm getting another flush of Barbados cherries, and this was the first original Puerto Rican black bean. It had a nice trellis I built for it. It swallowed it. I had to add on. It swallowed that one, and as you can see, it is still throwing flowers. But I'm also seeing a decline in it, and it's choking out. It's really choking out this new papaya, and it's trying to on the Musa banana here. But it's got to go. I wanted to plant some fall corn in here, and it's not looking like it. My Vicks has gone wild, and then, yes, I have a horrible problem with the silver dollar. It's so annoying, but it is what it is. And then the sweet potato. So I want to clean this bed up. Yes, to get some fall crops grown in here. I'm going to try some purple Cherokee tomatoes for the first time. So I wanted to grow them here. Another mulberry, and there's the beast. There is all the Puerto Rican black bean. My moringa took off. Once I removed the seed pods, it took off. So there it is. This is the last shot. I'm going to slowly, little by little, start dismantling them. I hate doing it, but I got to. They'd probably continue for another month or two, but I really want this bed, and so I'm going to start with this one, and I will do the one over here last because it's I don't know, people. I know better next year, though, what to do with these black beans. I plan on next year to giving them the trellis. My plan for next summer is to put a trellis all the way down the food forest, down the entire food forest, and a big trellis all the way down for them. And my goal is to get enough beans for the year. I love black beans. And real quick, I'll be doing also an update today as I collect more shampoo ginger. But yes, these black beans taste just like the black beans in the store. I found the only difference with them is they're just a tad smaller. Puerto Rican black beans, guys, girls, ladies, gents, gardeners. Hopefully this helps somebody. If you're in a hot tropical location in the summer, I guess it doesn't even have to be tropical. If it's hot, it loved the heat and it loved the wet, the lots of rain we got and the heat. It loved it. So if your summers, you get lots of heat and you can provide it with lots of water, go for it. The Puerto Rican black bean, and just give it a ton of space to grow. One bean will go miles. I'm telling you, at least it did for me. Yes, so happy gardening, and yes, go grow something. Until next time.